Let me show you how to use all gestures and motions available for Motorola Signature. So first of all, we'll need to open the settings on our device. We can then navigate down until we find the gesture options. Enter them and then let's cover it from the top all the way down to the bottom. We have system navigation. You can choose how to navigate your device, either by gesture navigations or 3 buttons. There's also circle to search, which usually you can call out by clicking and holding the menu button. You can also enter the options for each of the gestures for navigation methods right here with the gear icon. Next thing is sidebar. You can activate sidebar and then call it out by swiping on the tile that is sticking out on the edge of the screen, and that way quickly access one of those icons. You can click on the gear button to adjust which icons should be visible on it. Then there's one-handed mode. You can, if you're using gesture navigations, you can activate it right here, and then you can pull the screen into the reach. That way you'll be able to lower down the notifications bar so that you can access it with one hand. You can also enable the shortcut. That way if you click on the shortcut, it will lower the notification bar as I mentioned. Then there's the option for swipe to split. When activated, you'll be able to open 2 apps at the same time on one screen. So perform a swipe like this. If you have those apps opened, let's say that I want Google Play Store and then I want Gmail. When I have those 2 apps, I'm going to open my Google Play Store, perform this swipe and then select the Gmail. That way, as you can see, there's 2 apps opened at the same time. Let's go back into the settings. Then there's physical keys. Power key. You can change the press and hold power button right here to call out digital assistant, Moto AI, power menu, or assign it to no action. You can also adjust the press and hold duration right there. For a double press, you'll be able to activate camera or select it to no action. So all you have to do is either press and hold this button or double press on it to open camera. Then there's AI key, which is located on the left side right here. And for that, you can press and hold to call out Moto AI, or double press it to activate one of those 2 features or turn it off. Catch me up or pay attention. Then there's media controls. You can control media using volume buttons. If you activate this option, you'll be able to go to the next or previous track when the screen is off. Press and hold volume up button or down key. So if your screen is locked, you can click and hold volume up button to play next track in multimedia, or hold volume down to play the previous track. Next thing is kinetic gestures quick launch. Now we can activate this option and assign different shortcuts to it. For example, take a screenshot. If we take our device and double tap right here, it should take a screenshot like that. Then there's the quick capture. So now when it's activated, you'll be able to turn to camera by making a swipe like this with your phone. So you just need to shake it in your hand like so, and that way you will activate a camera. Then there's a fast flashlight. If you perform something like a handshake with your phone, it should activate the flashlight. Usually I'm having a really hard time enabling it. If you want, you can try it. I'm gonna skip it, but as I said, you need to perform something like this on the image to call it out. Then there's lift to unlock. When enabled, let's say that your phone is, you'll need to set up the face unlock as well. So if your screen is locked and you have a face unlock set up, you'll be able to lift your phone and instantly unlock it by looking at the front camera. Then there's pick up to silence. If somebody is ringing you and this option is active, next time you're gonna pick up your phone when there's a phone call incoming, it will silence it. Then there's flip for DMD. When activated, you can put your phone like this onto the table, and that way you will enter do not disturb mode. When you lift it again, it will leave it. And that is all of the gestures and motions that are available for this device. Thanks so much for watching.